A unique school based on Indian cultural heritage and global vision, which has a record of 100% result in ICSE, State Board and PU Board examinations. Athreya Educational Institutions, a famous name in Mandya for more than a decade, providing you a world-class education from nursery to PUC. Enhanced with a newly constructed environment-friendly building, spacious smart classrooms, well-equipped labs and library, experienced teachers with motherly care and updated teaching methods, including 4-language learning concept, regular multiple cultural and sports activities, and best vehicle facility. What else do you expect? Join your children today. We make them complete human beings and present them as real gift to the society.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ರಘು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಕೆಎಸ್ ರಘು ವಕೀಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2020 and 21. Pre-KG, UKG classes to 10th standard. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 9986797652, 8867015936 ಹಾಗೂ 8867015937.
Experience Athreya. Feel at home.
Welcome back to maths class. In the last class, you already learned regarding about the quadratic equation, how to recognize the quadratic equation and what is the nature of the roots. Okay, but in this class you will learn how to solve the quadratic equation by using the method of factorization and by using the method of formula method and reduced method. Okay, come student, let's start the lesson now. Okay, next method is factorization method. Before solving any question by using factor method, we can see so many steps to solve some questions regarding about the factorization method. Okay, what are the steps needed to solve a problem by using factorization method? First step is you have to remove the brackets. You have to remove the brackets if necessary. Okay, and second step is transpose all the terms in right side to the left side to get the equation, to get the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. What is the second step? Transpose all the terms to the left side. Okay, and third step is factorize. Next step is factorize. Okay, and last step is you have to put each factor equal to 0. Totally each factor equal to 0. These are the 4 steps needed to solve a problem by using factorization method. Okay, let us take one example now. First question is solve 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39 by using factorization method. Okay, all of you look at the board. Children, to solve any question, to solve any equation, first the question should be in the form of quadratic equation. Okay. All of you observe here, it is not in standard form. So, first step is you have to convert the given equation into the quadratic equation. How can you convert that? In LHS we can see 2x square minus 7x is equal to minus 7x, but in RHS we can see 39. The first step is you have to take this 39 to the left side. Then your equation becomes 2x square minus 7x minus 39 is equal to 0. Okay. After converting to quadratic equation, then only we have to factorization. But as you know that in this question we don't have any brackets. Okay. And second step is already we did the second step. Okay. We have already taken this 39 to the left side. And third step is we have to do the factorization. How can you do the factorization? This is one of the important steps in this factorization method. Okay. Factorization means, all of you see here, first you have to multiply these two terms. Okay. Look at the board, all of you. How can you multiply this? Here we have 2x square, take this 2x square and multiply with minus 39 into minus 39. Okay. While taking these two terms, you have to concentrate on signs. Okay. Here 2x square as positive sign and 39 as negative sign. Okay. You have to mention sign also. Okay. After mentioning that, you have to multiply these two numbers. 2 nines are, otherwise another method is there. 2 is the simplification form. How can you simplify this 39? Very simple. 39 will come in 13 ones table. Okay. See this side, all of you. 13 into 3s are 13 3s are 39. Okay. Otherwise another method is there, very simple method. See this side, all of you. First you have to multiply these two. If you multiply these two, you will get 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 78 x square. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 78 x square. Okay. Here we have minus 7x, here we have minus 78x. If you split this number by using a table, and you have to substitute the values of 78x square in the place of 7x. Okay. How can you split this? As you know that half of the 78 is 2. Half of the 78 is 39 2s are 39 into 2. Okay. Then it becomes 39x square into 39x into 2x. 39 2s are 78x square. Okay. Then minus 39 is here. As you know that minus 39 will come in 13 ones table. Okay. Then it becomes 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39. Okay. Then 39x into 3x. Okay. 39 3s are 39 3s are 13 3s are 39x. Here we have 2x, 3x and 13x. All of you observe here in which table it will come. Okay. When we multiply the numbers, it will become 39 2s are 78. But if you split that number, that should be 7x. Okay. In which table it will come? Can you say this? In which table it will come? That is very, very important to solve this. Okay. 13 6 are. See this side, all of you. If you multiply these two, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 13 6 are 78. Okay. Look at here. 13 6 are 78. Okay. See this side, all of you. Here we have 7x, then you have to put minus here and you have to put plus here. 13x plus 6x. If you subtract this 6x from 36, you will get minus 7x. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 78x square. Okay. Therefore, you have to replace this minus 7x by 13x plus 6x. This is the way to find the factorization, okay, to solve the quadratic equation. Then how can you split this? 2x square. In the place of 7x, you have to substitute 13x plus 6x, okay, minus 13x plus 6x. You have to write this as it is, minus 39 is equal to 0, okay. See this side all of you, see this side all of you. Then what we can do? Take common, group the terms, okay. After grouping that, you have to take the common. Here what common is here? Here we have only x as a common. If you take x as common, then the remaining terms are 2x minus 13. Here also we can see, here also you can see, you can take 3 as common, okay. If you take 3 as common, 3 2s are 6, x minus 13, 13 3s are 39 is equal to 0. Again you have to take the common. Here we have 2x minus 13 and 2x 13 as a common, take it as outside, 2x minus 13. If you take 2x minus 13, remaining term is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Afterwards you have to put each factor is equal to 0, okay. Then it becomes 2x minus 13 is equal to 0, as well as x plus 3 is equal to 0, okay. In the next step, as you know that, solve. Okay, you solve 2x. If you take this minus 13 to the right side, it becomes 2x is equal to 13, as well as if you take this 3 to the right side, it becomes x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 13 by 2, or the value of x is equal to minus 3. Okay. In this way, we can do the factorization. This method is known as factorization method. Okay. This is the third type in quadratic equation. Any doubt, students? Okay. Let's see in another problem. In this type, another question is solve x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 and half, is equal to 2 and half. As I observed, this question is not in standard form. First of all, you have to convert this equation into standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay. After converting that, you have to follow the what we did in the previous problem. You have to follow the same steps. Okay. Look at the board, all of you students. What we can do, here we have RHS and as well as LHS. LHS not in standard form, then we have to take the LCM. How can you do the LCM? Very simple, students. See this, all of you. If you make like this, if you do the cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. See this, all of you. Cross multiplication means like this. Okay. X into x, x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 1, then it becomes x minus 1 whole square divided by x into, you have to take LCM, x into x minus 1 is equal to, this is in the form of mixed form. Then you have to convert it into improper fraction. Then how can you convert this? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 2. Okay. In the next step, what we can do? Simplification. How can you do the simplification? X square, write as it is, plus, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So, we have to use the expansion form of the a minus b whole square. Okay. Here what is the expansion form of the a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab is the expansion form of the a minus b whole square. As you know that here the value of a is equal to x. Okay. Then it becomes a square. A square means x square plus b square means 1 square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2. A means x into b means 1 divided by, you have to multiply this also, x into x, x square, minus 1 into x, 1x is equal to 5 by 2. Any doubts, students? Okay, in the next step, once again you have to make the simplification. X square plus x square, x square plus x square become 2x square, plus 1 square means 1, minus, if you multiply all this term, 2 1s are 2, 2 into x, 2x, divided by x square minus 1x is equal to 5 by 2. What we can do in the next step? Just here also we can do the cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, then the numerator goes to right side and the 2 goes to left side and x minus 1 goes to the right side. Okay, just you have to do the cross multiplication like this. Okay, then 2 goes to the left side, numerator 2 into 2x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to x square minus 1 goes to right side of the numerator, then it becomes 5 into x square minus 1x. Okay, then once again if you do the multiplication, 2 2s are 4 into x square, 4x square, plus 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4x, that is equal to 5 into x square, 5x square, minus 5 1s are 5 into x, 5x. What is the next step? Transpose. Transpose all the terms in the right side to the left side. Okay, then it becomes 4x square. We have 4x square. Otherwise, another method is you have to transpose left side to the right side. Then it becomes, here we have 5x square, right, as it is 5x square. If you take this 4x square to the right side, it becomes negative. Okay, then it becomes minus 4x square. And also here we have minus 5x. If you take this 4x to the right side, it becomes plus 4x. And we have plus 2. If you take to the right side, it becomes minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and the next step, if you subtract this 4x square from 5x square, you will get x square. If you subtract this 4x from 5x, you will get minus 1x. Minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation to find the factorization. Okay, next step is factorization. How to do the factorization? Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then if you do the factorization, okay, how can you do the factorization? As you know that you have to multiply first term and the last number, you will get factorization. Okay, here we have plus x square, here we have minus 2. Minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. Okay, in which table it will come minus 2x square? 3 1ja or 2 1ja. 2 1ja is best. Okay, 2x plus 1x, plus into minus, minus 2 1ja 2, x into x, x square. If you multiply these two, you will get minus 2x square. If you subtract these two, if you subtract 1x from minus 2x, you will get minus 1x. So you have to replace this minus 1x by minus 2x plus 1x. Okay, then it becomes x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. As you know that, next step is grouping. By grouping, you can take the common factor. Okay, as you know that in x square minus 2x, you can take only x as common. If you take x as common, remaining term is x minus 2. In this case, we can take only 1 as common. Okay, because of there is no any common, that's why we have to take only 1 as a common. Okay, 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Afterwards, once again you have to take common. X minus 2 is common, so take outside. If you take x minus 2 as common, the remaining terms are x plus 1 equal to 0. Then last step is each factor equal to put equal symbol in the x minus 2 is equal to 0 as well as x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 or the value of x is equal to minus 1. Okay, in this way we can find the x values by using factorization method. Okay, this is known as factorization method. Any doubts? Okay, let us take another example now. In factorization method, we have another type. That one is, let us take one example now. Find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation whose solution set is -2, 3, -2, 3. All of you observe here, this question is different than what we have solved in the last question, because of in the last question we had find the values of x, but in this question is given the values of x. Instead of finding the values of x, in this question we have to find the quadratic equation. Okay, this is a reverse question. How can you find the quadratic equation? -2 and 3 are the values of x. So first step is you have to take it as x. Then x value is equal to, one value is -2 and another value of x is equal to 3. This is the first step. You have to take like this. Okay, x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 3. What is the next step? Next step is very simple. Take this -2 to the left side, as well as take this 3 to the left side. Then it becomes x -2 becomes +2. X plus 2 is equal to 0, and x equal to 3 is there. If you take this 3, it becomes -3. X minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the next step? Very simple. You have to multiply these two factors. If you multiply these two factors, absolutely you will get the quadratic equation. Okay, multiply these two now. X plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, multiply this, you will get the answer. When we multiply this, very simple method is there. From x, you have to multiply x minus 3, as well as from +2, you have to multiply x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the simple way to find the quadratic equation. Okay, then multiply this x into x, x square, minus 3 into x, 3x. Finish. Next, second one is plus 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 0. Last step is x square. Here we have plus 2x and minus 3x. Okay, and we have minus 3 and plus. If there is plus and minus, you have to subtract them. You will get the answer. If you subtract this 2x from minus 3x, you will get minus 1x. Remaining constant is minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the quadratic equation, or this is the required quadratic equation by taking the values of x. In this way, we can easily find the quadratic equation, and this is one of the easy method to find the quadratic equation. Okay, this question is also belongs to the factorization. Okay, let's see another question. Use the substitution. Next question is use the substitution x is equal to 3y plus 1 to solve for y, to solve for y. If 5 into 3y plus 1 whole square plus 6 into 3y plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the given question. If you compare these questions to the previous questions, I think this is too difficult to solve a question. But in the question, he is given that in the place of 3y plus 1, you have to take it as a x. That means in the place of 3y plus 1, you have to write x. That is the hints. Okay. If you use this value of x in the place of the equation, you can easily find the value of y. Okay. These are the steps to follow to find the value of y. Okay. Then put the value of x, the value of 3y plus 1 is equal to x. That means the equation becomes 5 into what is the value of 3y plus 1? The value of 3y plus 1 is x according to question. Okay. Then it becomes x square plus 6 into what is the value of 3y plus 1? X minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the twisting steps in this question. Okay. Apart from these steps, you can use the last steps. That's all. Okay. And look at the board, all of you. 5 into x square, 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. After getting this equation, you can solve this question by using factorization. How can you do the factorization? You have to multiply. If there is any common, first take outside. But in this question, we don't have any common factor. So, do the factorization. Okay. When we do the factorization, you have to multiply first one and last one. Plus into minus, minus. 8 5s are 40. Into x square, 40 x square. In which table 40 will come? But there should be minus symbol. Okay. Here we have 5x square plus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. There 40 x square. 40 x square is there. How can you find the factorization for this? So here 6x is there. In which table 40 will come? Very simple method. You have to follow this. See this at all of you. 40x square will come in. What is the half of the 40? First you have to find that. Half of the 40 is 20. 20 x square. 20 x square. 22s are 40 x square. Okay, you will get 40 x square. Then again, what is the half of the 20? Half of the 20 is 10. 10 2s are 20 x square. Here 6 is there, very simple, 40 is there. Here if you multiply these two, 2 2s are 4, here we have 10, 2 2s are 4, 10 4s are 40. This is simple way to find, this is the simple way to find the factor of 40. Okay. How can you find the factor for this 40? Very simple. 10x square, here 4 is there, 4x square, but you want plus 6x, that's why here plus 6 is there, you have to put minus symbol in between 10x square and 4x square. Okay. Plus into minus, minus, 10 4s are 40 x square, that's all. Okay. Then how can you replace this? 10x, 6 in the place of 6x, you have to substitute 10x minus 4x, then it becomes 5x square plus 10x minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Afterwards, grouping. By grouping, you can easily take common outside. Here we have 5 and 10. That's why you have to take 5 as common. X square and x is there. X as common. If you take x as common, remaining term is x plus 5x is here. 2s are 5 2s are 10 into x 10x minus 4 common is there. Take outside. If you take minus 4 as common, x plus 2 is remaining is equal to 0. Therefore, once again you have to take common. Here x plus 2 and x plus 2 is there, take x plus 2 as common, then the remaining terms are 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 2, one value, and another value is x is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the another value. Okay. In this way we can easily find the values of x. X value is equal to minus 2 and x value is equal to minus 4 by 5. But in this question we have to find the value of y. But here we have x value. As you know that the value of x is equal to 3y plus 1. Okay, take first value. The first value is x is equal to minus 2. What is the value of x? X value is 3y plus 1 is equal to minus 2. We want to find the values of y. So 3y is equal to minus 2 minus 1. 3y is equal to minus 3. 3 gets cancelled. The value of y is equal to minus 1. In this way find another value of the y. Another value is x is equal to minus 4 by 5. X is equal to minus 4 by 5. What is the value of x? X is equal to 3y plus 1. 3y plus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Therefore, 3y is equal to minus 4 by 5. 1 goes to right side, then it becomes minus 1. Therefore, 3y is equal to minus 4 minus 5 1 ja 5 divided by 5. Then the value of 3y becomes minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 by 5. You can easily cancel this 9 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay. In this way, you can easily find the value of y by using the value of x is equal to 3y plus 1. In the place of 3y plus 1, you can use the value of x. Okay, students. Till now, we had solved some questions regarding about the factorization method. Okay, and the last method is formula method. Okay, this is one of the last method in the quadratic equation. Okay, let's see what is the formula and which formula is used to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. Is formula method. Which formula is used to solve this quadratic equation? The formula is formula method. Okay, the formula is as you studied in already 8th standard and 9th standard and how to get the formula of the quadratic equation. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This formula is used to find the factors of quadratic equation. Okay. Here the value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. This formula is used to find the factors of quadratic equation. Let us take one example now. First question is solve. First question is solve 5x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 is equal to 0 using formula. This is one of the question. Okay. To solve this question, first you must know the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. All of you observe here, the question is already is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Look at the board, all of you. This is already is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means it is in standard form. Okay. Then see this, all of you. Plus pi is the value of a. What is the value of a? The value of a is equal to plus pi. What is the value of b? The value of b is equal to minus 2. As well as what is the value of c? The value of c is also minus 3. C value is equal to minus 3. After taking the value of a, b and c, you have to write the formula of the quadratic equation. The formula of the quadratic equation is equal to x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay. And now substitute the values. When substitute the values, while substituting the values, you have to write minus. Don't forget to write this minus. After writing this minus, then only you have to substitute the values of b. What is the value of b? Minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square. What is the value of b? Minus 2 whole square. B square minus 4 into what is the value of a? 5 into what is the value of c? Minus 3 divided by 2a. 2 into what is the value of a? 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then do the simplification. Then it becomes, multiply these two symbols, minus into minus plus, plus into 2, it becomes 2 only, plus or minus square root of, what is the minus 2 whole square? Minus 2 whole square means it becomes plus. Okay, 2 2s are 4. All of you observe, this is one of the important steps. Here we have minus 2 symbol, minus into minus, plus. Then multiply the numbers. 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60, divided by 2 5s are 10. Okay. Next, x is equal to 2 plus or minus, write as it is. Then afterwards you have to add these two numbers, 60 plus 4, 64, square root of 64 divided by 10 is there, write as it is. Okay. And next step is x is equal to 2 plus or minus, you have to take square root of 64. What is the square root of 64? 8 is the square root of the 64 divided by 10. Okay. After getting the square root of 64, then here we have plus and minus. Okay, you have to split that. If you split this, you will get one will become positive and another one will become negative 2 minus 8 by 10. Okay. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 8 plus 2, 10 by 10, and the value of x is equal to 2 minus 8 means minus 6 by 10. Okay. 10 10 cancel. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1, as well as simplification. If you do the simplification, it becomes 3s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is the way to find the values of x by using formula method. Okay. These are the types of problems available in quadratic equation. If you learn all these types, absolutely you will get more score in your annual examination. Along with you have some questions. So if you study hard, you will get more marks in the examination. Okay, students, in this class you learnt factorization and formula method of the quadratic equation. Okay, I will see in the next class. Thank you.
A unique school based on Indian cultural heritage and global vision, which has a record of 100% result in ICSE, State Board and PU Board examinations. Athreya Educational Institutions, a famous name in Mandya for more than a decade, providing you a world-class education from nursery to PUC. Enhanced with a newly constructed environment-friendly building, spacious smart classrooms, well-equipped labs and library, experienced teachers with motherly care and updated teaching methods, including 4-language learning concept, regular multiple cultural and sports activities, and best vehicle facility. What else do you expect? Join your children today. We make them complete human beings and present them as real gift to the society.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ರಘು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಕೆಎಸ್ ರಘು ವಕೀಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2020 and 21. ಪ್ರಿ-ಕೆಜಿ, ಯುಕೆಜಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಟು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ. ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 9986797652, 8867015936 ಹಾಗೂ 8867015937.
Experience Athreya. Feel at home.